I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home.
Good morning, guys. So today is the first episode of Vlogmas, and there is a lot to do. I need to put up the Christmas decor, and I also need to comb my hair. I need to take this out and everything. The parents are still here, so there's a lot going on in the background. So I might do a little bit of overlay voiceovers because I want to get copyrighted and everything, and they're just having conversations. Right now I am sneaking some pie because I wanted something sweet. That's a caramel apple pie, and it's actually pretty good. I'm not a pie person, but it's good. And I'm just drinking some homemade pineapple ginger juice. So last night I took down the faux decor and stuff like that, except probably the pillows on the couch. But I'm going to put up the Christmas decor today. So here's to episode 1 of Vlogmas. Come and decorate with me. Cheers! Okay, I'm starting on a blank canvas. I have the Christmas decor there. The mantle is cleared. I need to put the ornaments on the tree and everything, and I will eventually switch out the pillows and stuff like that and deal with that back area. We put the bar over there instead. Everybody loved it over there, so that's what we're doing. And we got some more Xmas decor over here and Lobo, so let's get it. Mommy coming through with the bow. I look like a big old bow. Right? I'm like, that would be way better than what I was gonna do. I was going, oh, look at the bow. I plugged the tree in. Mom's gonna put it on, put it up. I had her over at the right time to make this big old bow. Oh, mommy, I make my tree look rich. Nice and juicy and elegant. I like this here so it can kind of like hide the cords and everything, but I want the Days Till Christmas to be near the bar section over there, so I don't know yet. We'll see. Well, I'm gonna get rid of the animals and put the gnomes, the nutcracker, and I have a gifted box that I want to put right there. See if I can get some extra stuff to stick in because I need it to look a little bit more full, you know. So I'm gonna take up the elephant and the giraffe and put the gnomes and my little nutcracker guy there, and we doing the mantle. Just got to Walmart. You already know, in the Christmas section. Okay. Looking, I know Nick would be so mad. Look at that. Look at her. But look at these little cute little Christmassy stuff. Oh. Gosh, so me and Nick just bought one of these, and Walmart has these in gold that is really cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are what we have so far. Wrapping papers for Mom and I. She picked up some ornaments, and I have these to stick in the tree. This for the village and stuff like that, for the skirt. So we're making progress. They have a bunch of ugly wrapping papers in here though, but yeah, that's about it. So we have these villagers right now in the cabin Nick made last year, which he needs to paint and stuff. So I'll be back once I decide how I'm going to do it.
Dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. The fire is burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms, that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this, it's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents.
All right, so now it's time for the bathroom. Nick's gonna take down the shower curtain, and we're gonna replace it with this one that has some green in it. It's green and white, so we're trying to do a green, white, and red, and we're gonna have like a little accents of black, because in here we do have like a black and white bathroom. Or
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep